Hi everyone, it's Tiana from the Maniology team with our weekly live. Now I'm gonna carefully go in. Oops! Sorry about that. I dropped my paintbrush. Hi everyone, it's Tiana. Ooh, that looks so pretty on camera.
A few moments later.
Oh shoot, okay. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. That part got too dry. I will fix that. Have a better attitude, T. It'll be okay. Okay, so there you go.
20 minutes later.
So when you put the sticky base coat, you want it to be tacky but not wet. Oh no! I did that. I'm sad. Oh shoot, but now I'm talking too much and I don't think this is gonna work now.